Hello everybody, it's your boy Carcitypilot 41, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Clownfish Dude cartoon. You know, those weird videos with Dudley Do-Right and small soldiers and stuff. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make that. So, the first thing you have to do is go into Audacity to record the audio, sorry. So, the first thing you have to do is go down here to this project rate stuff and put it into here, because if you don't, when you put the audio in Flash, which is going to be later on in the video, it's going to sound slowed down, and you don't want that. So, here is this, so the audio won't sound all sluggish and slowed down and low pitch and stuff. So, the first thing you have to do is record your thing. So, here we go. Oh, what the? Oops, sorry, that wasn't put on microphone. Oi! That's a small soldier's rodeo burger in the sky! So, after that, you go into here, noise reduction, and that, and so, I'm gonna do a little jump cut. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so once you're done with all the sounds and editing and stuff, all you have to do is just go in here and, like, put it in somewhere. So I'm gonna put in Clownfish Dude test. So, once you're done, and after you're done with Audacity, you close out of this, and now we open Flash. This is the main one I use for my animations. So, right now we're in here. Do a little jump cut again. Alright, we're back. So, I've got the sound effects and some random pictures in here to put in the animation. The only thing we have to do now is animate. So, oh, one more thing. With the frame rate, it doesn't matter what it is. It typically would be at 19 frames per second. That's what I put on this. But it doesn't matter which frame rate you want to use, but as long as it isn't slow. So, it's getting a little empty in this background, so we'll just put Dudley Do-Right in here. I don't really feel like putting like a Windows 95 wallpaper on here. That's what I typically use. But here we go. Here's Dudley Do-Right. This will like change into something. Let's just do this random crap first. So then I'll start animating because oops, looks like. Here we go. No, that's Hulk. Oh geez, that's a big small soldier. That ain't small, that's big soldier. Good gracious. Oh no. Oh, ah. It's a very scary small soldier. I crapped my pants. And just the same dumb picture that we saw from before. I don't really have much to work with. Alright, we got the background, but let's get that out of the way so we can draw. Let's draw the body. Actually, let's draw the head. Or the base for the... yeah, whatever. So, let's draw the head. So what I'm going to do here is that the head will be separate from the body. Or actually, the head and face will be separate from the body. So I can, like, morph the head and stuff. Get all these like wacky expressions with him and morph in his head and such. So, he doesn't have arms. Ah! So what is he gonna do? But oh, oops. I just woke up this morning, so my arms are a little flippy flappy. Alright, we've got his body. You know, we'll lock that up so we won't accidentally mess it up. So just draw the little white thing in his head. I don't know what they call that, but I guess that's what clownfishes have. Clownfishes are cute, that's what I say. But Alright, we got our little... Okay, here's our dude. Now, we just have to animate him talking. This is where he'll get hit. Actually, oh, oops, that's not the right one. That's his head. But here. So, the only thing we have to do now is animate. Especially you turn on onion skin, so you'll know what you're doing. Put this here. So, yeah, so the only thing you have to do now is animate. Very silent in this, am I? Not really telling any stories or anything else, just animating. Oops, wrong kind of orange. Wrong shade of orange, I meant to say. Alright, so once you're done animating and whatnot, all you have to do is export it. Oh, one more thing. For some reason it likes to put it with HTML, so check that out. And then export it. It's like CFD test. Then, yeah, keep that and whatnot. Save it again. Now, we leave that and then we go into Swivel to export it into an animation, or MP4.
Swivel.
So, we'll go in here. We'll find the animation that we just made. Yep, this is the right one. So, everything should be good. You could just leave everything as it is. And put it as low if you wanted to have that crap quality, I guess. So, all we have to do now is convert it. Sorry, I'm just laughing at my old creations. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's our animation, so let's give it a test shot. Oi! That's a small soldier's rodeo burger in the sky!
Looks like Cakey got...
Okay, there you go. So now that's how you make a Clownfish Dude cartoon. Put it on Newgrounds, put it on YouTube, get some exposure and whatnot. And also, it doesn't have to be just Flash to make a Clownfish Dude cartoon. You can use Blender, you can use SFM, even though there isn't really a Clownfish Dude model for that. But there will be soon. Hopefully someone will make it. What else? Like paper cutouts, that darn Thunderbird style puppet animation, if you're even that skilled to make one like that, and whatever, this and that and the other way around. So that's how you make a Clownfish Dude cartoon. So there's nothing else to do, so bye bye.